Plants not only provide food for animals and humans, but they also help keep the air clean and healthy for breathing. Growing plants can be fun and is a great way to grow your own food, provide food and other essential materials for pollinators, and regulate gases in the air. When a seed starts to grow into a plant, the roots grow first, then the stem, and finally the leaves, followed by flowers and fruit.
Hi, my name's Delaney, and here with me,
Ellie and Elsie.
and today we're making a seed starter glove.
Take the plastic glove and spread it out flat. Dip a cotton ball in water so it's damp and not soaking wet. Place 1 to 2 damp cotton balls in each finger of the glove and push them all the way down to the fingertip. Carefully place 1 to 2 seeds on the cotton balls in each fingertip. Find a window that gets good sunlight and hang your glove in the window. Check the glove daily. If the cotton balls are dry, add a little more water. Watch your seeds germinate and grow. Thanks for watching. Bye!